to $200,000 a year. The Low Income Taxpayer Clinic Program, or LITC, brings together a nationwide network of independent organizations under a shared mission to protect taxpayer rights. Clinics receive a matching grant from the Internal Revenue Service. However, they are completely independent of and are not affiliated with the IRS. Clinics participating in the LITC program assist low-income and English as a second language taxpayers in three basic ways: through representation, education, and advocacy. They represent taxpayers before the IRS for free or for a nominal fee for things like audits, appeals, collection matters, and federal tax litigation. Clinics educate taxpayers about their rights and responsibilities through face-to-face meetings, group presentations, outreach activities, and publications. And they advocate for taxpayers by identifying and addressing issues that affect low-income and English as a second language taxpayer populations. Clinics funded by the LITC program generally fall into two main categories: academic institutions and nonprofits. Academic institutions may include accredited business schools, law schools, and accounting programs. Nonprofits may include social services and community action agencies, standalone nonprofits, and independent legal aid organizations, as well as those funded by the Legal Services Corporation. Each clinic maintains a staff that includes at least one attorney, certified public accountant, or enrolled agent who can represent taxpayers before the IRS. In addition, clinics must have a staff member or a volunteer who is admitted to practice before the United States Tax Court to handle litigation matters and to provide pro bono assistance. Grantees are required to provide matching funds on a dollar-for-dollar basis for all federal funds awarded by the IRS. However, many programs provide matching funds in the form of cash or third-party in-kind contributions, such as time worked by volunteers, that far exceeds the minimum requirement. Here are four basic requirements that clinics must follow. Charge no more than a nominal fee for services. Represent low-income taxpayers before the IRS in a controversy, and operate a program to educate English as a second language taxpayers about their rights and responsibilities. At least 90% of the taxpayers being represented by the clinic must have incomes which do not exceed 250% of the federal poverty level, and the amount in controversy for any 1 year generally cannot exceed the amount listed in Internal Revenue Code Section 7463, which is presently $50,000. The LITC program grant year runs from January 1st to December 31st. Clinics may use the grant funds to pay startup expenses incurred during the year. The Taxpayer Advocate Service administers the LITC grant program, which involves selecting grant recipients, providing training and support, and monitoring grant recipients to ensure compliance with federal rules and the terms of the grant. Publication 3319, LITC Grant Application Package and Guidelines, has more detailed information on requirements, qualifications, and how to apply, and is available on the irs.gov website. You can also contact the LITC Program Office at area code 202-317-4700, which is not a toll-free call, or by email at litcprogramoffice at.
Okay, if you need information, you can go there, take a look. For example, if you have IRS audit, something like this, check this website, taxpayeradvocate.com, irs.gov. And they provide help and everything for people, especially low-income people. That's why saving information. So subscribe, give like to this video, and sharing your experience. Have you ever had be audited? And did you do it yourself or did you hire a lawyer? And how much money do you save on audit? Okay, subscribe, give likes.